I am Mrs. Meera Mohan Karansgaonkar, 67 years, and I have passed BA with Special English Honours in 1973, and I had a job in Physical Research Laboratory, a unit of Department of Space, Government of India. For 29 years, I had a job there. I have good experience of PCs and MS Office and some scientific Linux and a LaTeX program, and my current speed of typing is 150 160 per word per minute, and I have translated. My husband name is Mr. Mohan Haribau Karansgaonkar. He had a job in Bank of Maharashtra and he retired in 2009. And my name from maternal side is Sushma Balwanta Moghe. I married in 1977 and I am in Ahmedabad from 77. My husband had a job in Bank of Maharashtra. He retired in 2009. I retired in 2014 and we are at home. I have written this poem, Hindi, during 2008-9 to 2014. And I have translated some poems, almost all poems in English, and then I want to present that. So, and these are supported by my husband, Mr. Mohan Haribau Karansgaonkar. So I will recite that. Poem is on humanity. We all are human beings. We shall have humanity to other human beings and affection for human beings and also animals, birds, nature, which is God's creation. I am human being and others are human beings will be the feelings. Others are human beings and I am a human being. God has given us many feelings for self and also for helping the others. Self-confidence in us. There shall be self-respect, self-confidence in us. This is a gift of God. Life is a blessings of God. That is the feelings of mine. And I will present this. God has given us human birth with humanity. We shall behave with humanity with others. If somebody is in difficulty, we shall help with our humanity with other persons. If somebody is blind, handicapped, we shall help the person with our human body, human structure. While crossing the road or wherever we can help them. If somebody is sick and between the life and death, we shall give our blood to the person. If somebody is hungry, we shall give food, grains to the person. If somebody is shivering from winter, we shall give him chadar, carpet. If somebody is crying, we shall try to stop coming tears from eyes of the person. Showing affection, smooth words. If someone is nervous, we can give happiness, a gift of God to every human being by talking soft and smooth talking. If somebody is in grief, we shall talk with divine love, a gift of God to every human being, and try that his grief become less and the person will feel happy. If somebody is happy, we shall show happiness to the person. If somebody is in need, require economical help for progress in grief or some critical circumstances, we shall help the person, whatever help we can give. If any child want to study, we can help, we can give tuition to the person to give help for his study or money. If some child is orphan, if we have no child, we can adopt the child. Even if we have children, we can adopt orphan as a divine affection or divine love with divine affection or divine love. We shall love and show the love, the nature, animals, birds created by God or divine power. The necessity of the animals, birds is food. We can give the food to them. All this is for whatever, whenever, wherever possible for us. Main feelings are affection, divine love, respect, faith, good mind, good intention, good purpose with unconditional unselfishness without any demand or without any expectation. The creation of God or divine power is great.